Birds come checking it out. But where the root on the mat, where the root system is called the calm. So the root and sucker spring from the corn. Between the calm and where the leaves are is the trunk. This is my opinion now. I believe 8 by 8 planting is the best way to plant banana. Everything after that is really, to me, is cosmetic. 8 by 8, you can run 2 plants on each calm. And at the end of each row, you can put up to 3. So if you multiply that based on the other planting distance that you have, you will see that it measures up. So that is my opinion. 8 by 8 is the best planting distance.